Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question is in two parts or part, and each part contains two subparts A and B. So the first says a student is unable to see clearly the words written on the blackboard placed at a distance approximately 3 meters front of him. Name the defect of vision of the boy is suffering from and state the possible causes of this defect and explain the method of correcting it. So we have to name the problem, causes, and its um, way method to correct it. And the B part is why do stars twinkle? We have to explain the phenomena. So the second part says write the function of each of the following parts in human eye. So we have to write the function of cornea, iris, and crystalline lens and ciliary muscles. And B part says why does the sun appear reddish early in the morning? Will this phenomena be observed by an astronaut on the moon? Give reason to justify. So let us see the solutions. The solution is that first part was a student was unable to see from 3 meters. So the defect of vision is myopia or short-sightedness because he was unable to see within the blackboard was 3 meters from him, or you can say nearsightedness. And causes are excessive curvature of eye lens become more converging. So these are the causes. The methods of correction is by the use of concave lens of suitable power or focal length, the defect is corrected, or suitable diagrammatic representation. You can also draw the diagram, but basically the method of correction is to use concave lens. Now the B part was why stars seem to be twinkling. The density of different layers of air keeps on changing, due to which the apparent image of the star keeps changing. So, the changing position of stars appears as twinkling of stars. I repeat, the density of different layers in air keeps on changing, due to which the apparent image keeps changing. So this is the main reason. Now let us quickly move to the second part. So we have to define the function of all four of these. So the function of cornea is to focus light rays, permits the light to enter the eye. So it is basically type of gateway. Iris, it is used to control amount of light entering the eye, controls the size of pupil. And crystalline lens, it converges light rays onto retina. And the last, ciliary muscles, these adjust focal length of eye lens by contraction and relaxation so that sharp image can be obtained on the retina. I hope all these functions are clear to you. Let us move to the B part. The B part said, why does sun appear reddish early in the morning? And will it be observed by the astronaut on the moon? So in early morning, sunlight has to cover larger distance. This is the starting of the answer, which is important. Sunlight has to cover large distance in the atmosphere, so the shorter wavelengths scatter out. Only the longer wavelengths like red reach our eye. So this is the main reason. On moon, so the answer is no. Here O is missing. So the astronaut will not see this phenomena because moon has no atmosphere.